Another day here at HIMSS 2019. The booth has been great. Now, Jason, back here again, but really what I'd like to talk about is what are the top 3 things you've been hearing at the booth today from our customers?
Well, what's great is we've had all walks of life come through the booth. We've had medical doctors, we've had CTOs, CIOs, medical practitioners. It's really been great, and all of them want to know a little bit more about RPA, a little bit more about UiPath, what the buzz is. We've even had medical professionals that are using UiPath at a free level and have built bots and just want to show us what amazing things they've done. I'd say a couple of 3 big lessons learned coming through the conversation. One, everyone is very interested in knowing how I could put robotic automation and Epic together. Epic being the largest EMR, they're here at the show.
Yeah.
We love Epic, we know Epic, a lot of our clients are using Epic today. And there's a lot of questions around how to use RPA with Epic. So we're here to talk a little bit about that. We've had partners here talking a little bit about that, so that's a big question.
And we're integrated, we can work with them?
Absolutely, we can work with all EMRs, they're all our friends. I mean, it's where the world goes, right? Robotic automation is applicable to any platform.
Very good, okay, that's
just knowing what the right information is important. Interoperability, again, a lot of people ask me, can I aggregate data from this place, transpose it some way, and report it out to this place? So when we talk about workflows, when we talk about documentation, you know, a lot of people are doing manual entry, getting an outcome, and then doing something with it. They just want data to go somewhere without touching it. Interoperability is a big showcase, and we've been showing them live demonstrations on how to really tackle that here
Any
today.
platform, anywhere you can go, and we can grab it, work with it.
If it's data entry, it could be automated. If it's data extraction, it could be automated. If it's data validation, it could be automated. If it's web-based, it could be automated. If it's Citrix-based, it could be automated. No issues. Computer vision looks at the underlying object layer. You don't need to screen scrape. Screen scrape is not a word we use here because we don't screen scrape. And I'd say that's the biggest question I get most of all is, it's just screen scraping. No, it's computer vision. So we've been doing a lot of education on what computer vision is and why it's different, how if your environment changes, you don't need to change the bot again. So I think those are the top 3 big questions I'm getting. So it's not all healthcare related. A lot of it is technical questions.
Well, that's great. And a lot of information. I think we are telling a lot of customers about what they can do with RPA. If you're at the show, please come by and see us, ask some questions. If you're not, follow us on Twitter. We're going to be putting out these demos throughout the rest of the week, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.